Hello and welcome back to Higher Education Made Easy. My name is Dr. Chinyere Ajayi. Here I provide short video clips tailored to helping you succeed in higher education. Today's topic is going to be, what is an original research article? So let's dive straight into today's topic. In higher education, you are expected to read academic articles that report on an original research for your assignments, projects, and dissertation. So what do we know about an original research article? An original research article should have the following: an abstract, introduction, methods, findings, discussion, conclusion, and a reference list. I am going to briefly go through these one by one. An abstract is a short summary of the article, telling you briefly about the research, how it was conducted, the findings, the conclusions, and what the research contribution is. It is always a good idea to read this before you start reading the article, first because it will help you identify whether the article will be useful for your work or not. If you decide it is useful, you then need to download the article and read it in full. Let's move to the next one, which is introduction. The introduction section of the article can vary. Sometimes it will only provide a brief background to the article, and at other times it will include a review of previous literature in the field. So it is something you will find out as you read the article. The methods section is sometimes called materials and methods or research design and methods, depending on the field. This section, in essence, provides you with a discussion of the overall research strategy, including how the research was conducted. So, in this section of the article, you want to look for and think about the following: who participated in the study? How many people or how many children? What method was used in collecting data, or how did they collect the data from the participants? You want to also think, based on this information, do I trust the findings? Could we generalize these findings based on the method used in collecting the data? Straight away, you are beginning to think about the strengths and limitations of the methodological approach used in the study. Another thing is that this section should provide readers with enough detail to replicate the study if they want to. The findings section, which can also be called results, depending on the field, can be presented separately or weaved together with the discussion of the findings or results. This is where the findings of the research is reported. Also, the discussion element, if weaved together or presented separately, provides an interpretation and the significance of the findings in relation to the literature. That is what is already known in the field. It does also draw out fresh insights about the topic being discussed. Moving now to conclusion. Conclusion is not a summary of the paper. The idea is that the conclusion reiterates the importance of the research and engages with key points of the findings. It also communicates the contributions of the study to knowledge based upon the previous literature. So in a way, it discusses how the study has contributed to an identified gap in knowledge. It also conveys the significance of the study findings and the implications of the findings for practice, policies, theories, etc. The reference list. Most times, students tend to ignore this section of the article. This is where all the works cited in the article is written in detail. I would suggest that when reading an article, Make a note of the interesting references that the author or authors cited in their discussion and check out the reference list for full details of that work. This means you can pull the reference onto Google Scholar or your university library database to download the full article for yourself. In a way, it helps you extend your reading to a wider range of sources and improve your assignment or the work you are completing. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope it has been helpful. Make sure you put these things into practice, and I look forward to sharing my next video with you.